Today we're catering for a birthday party. It's going to be a busy day. We have so many things to make. We need to bake the birthday cake, cook a pizza, make some ice creams, and fruit salad. Let's start making the cake. What do we need? We need 1 egg, some butter, flour, sugar, milk, and strawberries. Great! I have all the ingredients. Let's get started. Let's get an egg from the refrigerator. Oh, I have these nice fresh eggs. There are 6 of them. Oh, but they're a little small. Oh, wow! It's turned into a big egg. That'll be fantastic for the cake. Ooh, the yolk is all gooey. Now I'll just carefully remove the shell. There we go. That's 1 egg. Now what's next? I know. It's butter. The butter's been in the refrigerator for a long time, so it's quite firm. I need to melt it before adding it to the ingredients. I have my toy cooker. I'll just put the slice of butter into the pot. It's warming up. Oh, I can see it's melting. All done. The butter has melted. Let's go add it to the cake mixture. That's the butter. What do we need next? Oh, yes, some flour. I think that'll be enough. And some sugar. Did you know that sugar comes from sugar cane? What ingredients do we need to add next? That's right, we need to add some milk. Here it is. It's straight from the refrigerator, nice and chilled. Great! Now the last ingredient is strawberry. I picked these fresh strawberries in the garden. Let's go wash them. Turn the faucet on. Oh, it's getting nice and clean. Turn it off. And let's cut a slice. One slice of strawberry. Let's add it to the cake mixture. Great! Now we're ready to mix it in the mixer. Turn it on. Here we go. It's mixing. Oh, the mixture's gone all fluffy and pink. Nearly done. All finished. Oh, it looks so fluffy. It's nice and light. This is going to make a great cake. I'll just add it to the baking plate. Now, what do I need next? Oh, I know. I'll get some cream from the refrigerator. I'm going to whip the cream up using my toy mixer. Oh, it's all nice and fluffy. I think that'll do. Let's turn off the mixer. Great! Now let's add it to the top of the cake mixture. Ooh! Looking good. Oh, it's so wibbly wobbly. Now I'm going to cook it in the toy microwave. Put it inside. Close the door. And go. It's cooking. Oh, look. It's rising. All cooked. Let's take it out. Oh, it's a little squishy. Maybe I didn't cook it long enough. I'll put it back in and cook it some more. It's ready. All cooked. Let's take a look inside. Oh, maybe I cooked it for too long this time. The cake is separated into lots of pieces. Can you help me put it together again? The first layer is vanilla. That's 2 pieces. That's 3 pieces. And 4 quarters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The second layer is chocolate. That's 1 piece. That's another. That's a third piece. And the last piece. We did it! Now for the fun part. Let's decorate the cake. I have these strawberry slices. Where should we put them? One goes here. The second one here. The third strawberry slice here. And the fourth one here. What's next? Oh, I have these colorful jelly beans. I'll place them around the bottom. And this one can go here. Turn it around. And these can go here. And the last jelly beans go here. There's something missing. Oh, I know. It's the happy birthday sign. And in the middle, I have this candle to celebrate the birthday. Wow, look at this amazing cake we made together. Now, what do we need to make next for the party? That's right, we need to make the pizza. I've already made the pizza base. I'll use these tomatoes to make the tomato puree that goes on the bottom of the pizza. I'll just remove the stalk from this one and cut a slice. There we go. And now the other one. Did you know that tomatoes are actually a fruit? Why? Because they have seeds inside. We've cut the tomatoes. Let's go add them to the toy blender. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 slices of tomato. Put the lid on and turn on the blender. Oh, I can see it mixing, and it's turning into the puree. All done. Let's take it out. The tomato is now pureed. I'll just use my tongs to take that out. And let's go add it to the pizza. That's 1 quarter. Half the pizza now has tomato on it. 3 quarters. Now the whole pizza is covered in tomato. What do we need to add next? How about some cheese? Here it is. Let's go put it on the pizza. I have 4 slices. They're all crispy. That's 2, 3, and 4. Great! We've added the tomato and cheese to the base. Now all we need to do now is add the ingredients to the top. What shall we add first? How about some olives? I have this can of black olives. They will go great on the pizza. Let's open it up. Oh, how many are in there? I have 1 and 2. What shall we add next? How about some mushrooms? Here's a mushroom right here. It's a brown mushroom. Let's go cut a slice. Great, we have our slice of mushroom. Now let's add it to the pizza. It can go right here. We need a little color to the pizza. How about we add this green bell pepper? I'll just remove the stalk, we don't need that. And let's cut a slice. Great, we have our slice of green pepper. Let's go add it to the pizza. It can go here. Now, what's the next topping? How about we put some pepperoni on top? Here's a slice, and I'll place it right here in the middle. Now, oh, I know. How about some red onion? let's go cut a slice. We have one onion ring. I'll place the onion ring right here in the middle on top of the pepperoni. And I'll just add a little bit of olive oil. I'll drizzle it all over the pizza. I think that'll be enough. And to add some extra flavor, how about we add some Parmesan cheese? Give it a shake. Great! Now we're ready to cook our pizza. Turn the pizza oven on and watch it cook. Ooh, it's sizzling. All done. Turn the pizza oven off and let's take a look. Oh, wow! Isn't it colorful? With all those toppings? It looks amazing. It's going to be wonderful for our party. I'll just add a little garnish on top. How about a basil leaf? Perfect. I have this red party plate. Let's cut a slice. I'll just serve it up on the plate. We made one pizza. What do we need to make next for our party? I have these cones. Oh yes, we need to make the ice creams. I'm going to make some ice cream out of some fresh fruit. I have this yellow banana. That's our first fruit. A bunch of purple grapes. I'll use the half that doesn't have the green stalk on it. What's the next fruit? It's a green pear. I'll take off the leaf and the stalk and cut a slice. We only need one half. I think I'll use this one. What's the next fruit? How about a peach? I'll just cut it in half. A peach is a stone fruit. See, it's got a big seed inside. What's the last fruit? It's an orange. Let's remove this and cut it in half. An orange has lots of different segments inside. To make the ice cream, I'll need to put the fruit in my toy refrigerator to cool them down. And turn the temperature to cold. All done. I'll just get my fruit out and we can add it to the blender. I'll just take the lid off. That's one half of an orange. Half a banana, half a pear, half a peach, and half a bunch of grapes. And I think I'll just add a little bit of ice. Now let's blend all the fruit together. All done. Turn off the blender. And let's see what we made. Wow! All the fruit has turned into ice cream. What flavors do we have? I'll just grab a cone. We have pink peach, purple grape, yellow banana, orange ice cream, and green pear. We've made 5 different flavors. These are going to be an extra treat for the party. Everyone's going to love them. Now the last thing I need to make is just a fruit salad. Ooh, it's so colorful. What's the first fruit? I need to look for a watermelon. Can you see it? Oh, that's right. It's right here. 1 watermelon. Let's go cut it in half. We have 2 slices of watermelon. That's 1 and 2. Can you help me find a green apple? Here it is. Great job. You found it. 1 green apple slice. Let's go prepare it for the fruit salad. I'll place 1 piece here and another piece here. Next, I'll add some kiwi. Can you see it? Oh, we've found it already. It's at the top on the left. Kiwi. Two slices. One goes here and the other one there. What's the last fruit? I need to look for dragon fruit. Here it is. It's pink on the outside and little black dots, which are seeds, on the inside. Let's go add the dragon fruit to the fruit salad. Oh, this fruit salad looks so beautiful. It's so colorful and bright. Wow! We had fun today making all these things for the birthday party. We made a beautiful cake, a pizza with all the toppings, 5 different flavors of ice cream, and a healthy fruit salad. All the food looks amazing. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Rainy Bow.